Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 6.2. Your 13th question. The number of miles an automobile tire lasts before it reaches a critical point in thread wear can be represented by a PDF. So I've just written what is needed from your question. Okay, so probability density function is given PDF, that is f of x is equal to 1 by 30 into e power minus x by 30 for x is greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. They have asked you to find the expected number of miles in thousands. A tire would last until it reaches the critical thread wear point. So we'll have to find the expected number of miles. The question I didn't write fully what is needed, only that I have taken it and wrote it. Okay, so first we'll just proceed. Let x be the random variable. Which denotes the number of miles till an automobile tire lasts. So the expected value is that is your e of x. Your formula is integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx. So which is equal to, just see your interval, it is x is greater than 0 only it's given. So we just start from 0 and goes up to infinity. X will be there as it is into your f of x is your given function. That is 1 by 30 into e power minus x by 30 into dx is equal to, remove this 1 by 30 outside. Now your integral 0 to infinity x into e power minus x by 30 into dx. So double function is there, so you'll have to go to your uv formula by parts. So first isolate, you'll have to do it to find your function, which function should come first, that is your uv. U you'll have to select it from here, so isolate algebraic term is there, then your exponential term. So here your x is your algebraic term, then your exponential term. So this is first and this is second. So your u is equal to x, your dv is equal to e power minus x by 30 into dx. Differential du is equal to dx you'll get. This side you'll have to integrate it to get your v. So v is equal to e power minus x by 30 whole thing divided by the coefficient of x, you'll have to bring it down to the denominator. So here the coefficient of x is minus 1 by 30. So that will come to the denominator. The integral by parts is integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v into du. So now you'll have to substitute your uv, everything will be here. So in this formula. So which is equal to, here we have got 1 by 30. Okay, so start with 1 by 30 integral. Your limit is from 0 to infinity. U is nothing but your x into your dv is this value, that is e power minus x by 30 into dx. That you would have got it here. Okay, the same term will be replaced here. That is equal to uv, you will have to find it. So this and this you will have to multiply. So u is your x and your v is e power minus x by 30 divided by minus 1 by 30. Your 1 by 30, this 1 by 30 is out, okay. Then minus, again this 1 by 30 you will have to bring it here because that 1 by 30 is common to both the terms, okay. So 1 by 30 into integral, your v is this part, that is e power minus x by 30 divided by minus 1 by 30 into your du. Du is nothing but your dx. So into dx. Now write your limit 0 to infinity. Here also 0 to infinity. Is equal to this 1 by 30 is there as it is. Now you can take this minus 1 by 30 to the numerator, so it will become minus 30 into, this value will be there as it is, x into e power minus x by 30. Your limit is from 0 to infinity. Now this minus and this minus, it will become plus, again 1 by 30, and this 30, 1 by 30 you can take to the numerator, again it will come to the numerator as 30. Your integral of 0 to infinity e power minus x by 30 into dx. So which is equal to, you can cancel this 30 and this 30, you will get minus 1 into, now substitute your upper limit minus your lower limit. Upper limit is infinity, okay. So here in the place of x you will have to put infinity. So infinity into e power minus infinity divided by 30, then minus your lower limit, that is 0 into e power minus 0 divided by 30. Then this 30 and this 30 you can cancel it, so you'll have plus. Now you can integrate it also. So e power minus x by 30 will be e power minus x by 30 divided by the coefficient of x, you will have to bring it to the denominator. So that is minus 1 by 30. And your limit is from 0 to infinity. The next step of solving is minus 1 into infinity into anything will become 0 only, okay. Minus, again 0 into anything will become 0. So altogether your first part will become 0. Plus into minus is minus. Again reciprocal of 1 by 30, it will be 30 in the numerator. Then open your bracket, only e power minus x by 30 is there. Now substitute upper limit minus your lower limit. So e power minus infinity divided by 30 minus e power minus 0 divided by 30. So which is equal to, here the whole thing will become 0 and you will have minus 30 into e power infinity is 0 minus, this is e power 0, 0 divided by 30 is 0 only. So e power 0 will become 1. Now the last answer is, here first part is 0, you can remove it, and here in this part again your first part is 0, so you will get minus into minus, it will become plus. 30 into 1 is 30. So your answer is 30. Therefore, the expected number of miles is 30. They have given you the question in thousands, okay. So you'll have to put your answer into thousands, that is 30,000. So this is the answer for your 13th question.